Hello, my lovely students. This is a Christmas video with a little bit of magic. I'm going to talk about vocabulary for Christmas. And we are going to start with the Christmas reindeer, Rudolph. How do you spell that? Reindeer. Reindeer. Incidentally, it's got no plural. And then we have a Christmas wreath. A Christmas wreath. A Christmas wreath. And here on the mantelpiece, of course, that's a fire, we have a few things. First of all, we have a Christmas stocking. A Christmas stocking. It's a beautiful Christmas stocking. In fact, I've got two. This one is Santa's stocking, but this one is the Elves stocking. And how do you write that? Like this. Christmas stocking. Christmas isn't Christmas without the gnomes. Here they are. We have some gnomes. Christmas gnomes. And at Christmas we also have the elves. The elves. They help Father Christmas. The elves. Elves. Christmas is magic. And what is more magic than lights? Christmas fairy lights. I love them. I've got some of them here and some on the Christmas tree. The fairy lights. Finally, we also have some candles. Candles. Candles can be scented and they emit a lovely smell. Candles. And I also have a Santa hat. Santa hat. Then we get to the Christmas tree. And on the Christmas tree, we have an angel. An angel. Angel. And then on the Christmas tree, we have baubles. We have baubles. Baubles, not balls. Baubles. Christmas baubles. Christmas wouldn't be Christmas without presents. What do we need for presents? We need ribbon, 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 and wrapping paper to wrap presents. And where are the presents? Well, presents are strictly under the Christmas tree. So, how come I have no presents? Well, it's because it's not Christmas yet. Presents will come on Christmas night. And so, finally, what do we wait for when it's Christmas? Well, it's presents, it's Santa, it's pudding, it's a panettone, or Christmas pudding, if you're English. But most of all, we want Christmas cheer and a lot of love. Goodbye. Merry Christmas.